In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily convert your audio to a text. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started with the video. So for the first step is that you want to go over to your Chrome browser. Once you're in your Chrome browser, search for a website called Zamza, and then click on the audio to text option. Once you click on that, choose the file you want to convert. Click on the media option right over here. Go over to your audio and select the audio you'd like to convert. I'm going to select this audio right over here. It's going to start converting. So as you can see, it has converted the audio to a text, so I can easily download the text. Once it's done, I can open it. And as you can see, there is the text right over here. It has converted the audio to a text. As you can see, this is the text right over here. So that's how you can easily convert audio to text.